Hey Bill, you asked about the M37. Well, I finally got me a temporary pressure gauge wired up. It's been about half a year. We got the same batteries in it. I just shot some gas down the carburetor. Let's see if we got oil pressure. The dash gauge is dead. Not even idles. We don't have a lot of oil pressure. I'm pretty sure we're gas killed. 10 psi. That drops right back down at idle, huh? So I think we probably got a little bit more to do. We'll let her run out of gas here. I got the fuel pump shut off. Not bad for 1953. It's sitting for 6 months. Runs a long time on a carb bowl full, huh? There we go. All right, so that's what's going on with the M37 right now. So I'll take a look at the whole truck here. Sitting out here in our lot. Not doing anything, but not rotting under a tree. It's friends with the old welder. Yeah. Now that we know we got some oil pressure, maybe we can do something with it other than let it sit. Let's see if it'll start again. Kick the fuel pump. We got a separate 12-volt switch here for all of our auxiliary systems that aren't military. She's gonna want prime. So you got saw gas. So I was always told saw gas is good for the top end when it's been setting. All right, should probably pop right off now. Yep. Just a little bit of throttle. Got to be careful with that fuel pump. She floods out. Probably got a hole in my float. All right, we'll let her run empty again. No smoke, no weird noises. Stay even running flathead 6. Carb's got to come off and get a rebuild. What else is new, right? See, all the nonsense from the porting kit has just been left hanging. We don't need a porting kit. This is a Dodge. And the belt tension is probably not in spec. but it does spin everything, especially the water pump. Boy, she does run a long time on just a bowl full of gas. Yeah, we don't have hardly any oil pressure at idle, huh? So I wonder if that's... Oh, are we about done? Yeah, we're done. So, yeah, I don't know if that's clapped out bearings or killed fuel, or killed the oil with the fuel, or what. Alright, that's enough for now.